Hello friends, in this video, I will guide you through how to fix Roblox assets not loading properly. Go to your search bar, click on it, and type down %local app data. Hit enter or click on the file folder. Delete the Roblox folder by right-clicking on it and selecting delete. Open your search bar again, type down %temp and click on the file folder. Press Ctrl-A on your keyboard, right-click, and hit delete. Click on X to close the delete confirmation window. Wait for the process to finish, then close all windows. Open your favorite browser and go to roblox.com. Log in with your account and select a game to play. When prompted, reinstall the Roblox player and make sure to run it as an administrator by clicking on Properties, Compatibility, and then run this program as an administrator. Apply and OK the changes. You should now be able to load Roblox assets properly. Thank you for watching. Quick tweak.